got these.
Bless you.
Thank you.
People who love each other were here.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything?
Oh, you've been.
Yeah.
When I
It's
just hugged. Oh, you dropped your thingy. When I just hugged. What do we call it? Birthing? Body earthing?
Oh yeah, body earthing. Okay, Rena, what was your favorite part?
Literally all of it.
All of it?
Every minute was amazing. Camping under the stars, seeing flying stars under the full moon, freezing, hugging the sand, taking a nap in nature's memory foam.
Nice. Beautiful. Miriam, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Oh my gosh, everything.
That's what everyone's saying.
It's so cool.
Yeah. Nice.
I love burying myself in the sand actually.
Yeah?
Just sitting in it, communing with sand.
Feeling how soft it is? Yeah. All right, Prashant, what about you? What was your favorite part of today?
I think everything. Warding off sand people.
Yeah.
Fighting off dune worms. In search of the American dream.
Nice. Good answer. You win.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?